Is the audio running fine? This text is not right. मेरे को इसको कैसे भी करके चेंज करना चाहिए. I'm sorry but मैं फिर से करूँगा. तो कहाँ मिलेगा? कौन सा? We're going with this one, I guess. Impact will get the job done. I hope. Starting live. Now we are talking. All right. Welcome to the stream. We're officially let's start the grind. Oh, I forgot about that. Before that, let me get the setup ready. What were we doing previous? शायद बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक को थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज वो ठीक है. Motherfucking definitely gonna get on my nerves. I can't really do anything, so let's not pay attention today. I am not able to find the right one. Something is definitely wrong with this noise cancellation filter that I just had. Maybe I'll have to configure it in a way that doesn't, mess with my talking or my words. Caesar. Does it change anything? Tell me which one was good. I'm trying my best to improve the quality of the audio. तो उसके लिए little bit to get us started with our live stream, I would say. Maybe I'll have to design some kind of intro for my live stream. Well, I'll try that on After Effects. Let's do it. We're live. I'm officially starting the stream. So here we are. We are trying to work on something. I don't know which was the thing. But before anything, we are going to dive. We're going to run this, what is it called? Test. Or basically to check करने के लिए कि how good I will be able to type today, how much of speed will be there, how much of accuracy will I be able to achieve. Let's do it. Before anything, I always do this. I mean, before this kind of live stream, I always try my best to or to do some kind of like warm up with my typing. This helps me a lot. But it wasn't a good score, but whatever. That is not our real objective today. We're working here on our project. So let's start this server. As you guys know, I'm working on a project of my own. It is my first real world project that is going to be a clone of Instagram. I named it Trialgram. Here I am using React.js for the front end and Python Django for the back end. So that's it. We're starting the server. What is it called? At the same time, we're also going to run the backend. Python manage.py run server. So for React, we need to write npm run dev for starting the server, and similarly Django के लिए हम लिखते Python manage.py run server, and that's how it all works. तो फिर से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब मैं Django का सर्वर स्टार्ट किया तब वर्चुअल एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कुछ हुआ and everything was everything ended. And in order to run it, in order to function my project properly, both of these servers are needed to run simultaneously. तो उसी के लिए ये होता है, एंड उसी के लिए मेरे को Django का सर्वर भी स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. I'm typing it wrong. I'm sorry. सर्वर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ. Oh, I changed the default page. That's why it is showing only the default page. Now you need to go to this route of URL to view the I don't know what it is called. So in my previous stream, you guys know I was talking about adding a button or the feature that lets you see after. Basically जब तुम पासवर्ड डालते हो in this form, तब तुम वो पासवर्ड को प्रीवियसली में वो फीचर ऐड नहीं किया था जिधर तुम पासवर्ड देख सकते हो तुम्हारा पासवर्ड टू verify that if whatever you are typing is the right password for your account. So I added that feature of live stream because I was having a little bit problems with live streaming. That's why I did it. So as you can see, I'll show you it works actually. It actually works. So before anything, I think I'll do that. John 1 whatever, doesn't matter. But इधर एक प्रॉब्लम जरूर है क्योंकि as you can see, when I try to press on this button for submitting my data or my credential to the server, to the database, इधर जो कर्सर का पॉइंटर आना चाहिए वो टाइम टू टाइम गायब हो जा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों. As you can see, only this normal cursor is being shown, and उसी के लिए I think I did some kind of I wrote some kind of wrong code. That's why it is happening. But खैर छोड़ो, उसके ऊपर फोकस नहीं करेंगे अब. Let me show you what I was trying to show previously. Yeah, you can see. But कुछ इधर प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर हुआ है. Another error. Fuck man. When I'm just starting, why this kind of error? Something went wrong. Unauthorized. मतलब John कोई अकाउंट नहीं है सर्वर के अंदर. So let's create that one. So first is gonna be John. Sorry, John 123 @gmail.com 10101010. अब देखो guys, जब मैं इधर प्रेस करूँगा तब you can see the password that you just inputted here. I mean I just inputted here. I'm sorry. Similarly, confirm password, we have the match. Now we can submit to the server and it will be all set. Again another bad request. Mother, I don't know what goes wrong with the server and whatever, but something is, whenever I start something happens wrong. John all for one gmail.com. Now obviously 101010. Similarly 101010. Okay. Bad request. What does this shit mean? I don't know what is happening wrong, but something is wrong. Either they're showing some error, I guess. Confirm pass. Everything looks fine, but what is wrong actually? Bad request. Django error. Bad request 4004 Django. This demo. मेरे को कुछ भी allowed host भी करना चाहिए क्या? Do I need to add something like that? Previously इसका ज़रूरत नहीं था, but now today this is what is happening. I think I'll be starting the server from the very beginning. I don't know what kind of shit happens all the time whenever I'm just trying to get some real job done. I don't know, man. We have john123@gmail.com. Then the password is gonna be 01010. Now it worked. Something happened, I don't know. But whenever 1010, now we are logging in to show that everything works. Login. What is the name? It was John, I guess. So as you can see, we have, but now I can't really. इधर कुछ हो रहा है. अरे यार क्या problem? Okay. So this feature was added. As you can see, जब मैं इसके ऊपर प्रेस करता हूँ, तब पासवर्ड हाइड हो जाता है. जब इसके ऊपर फिर से प्रेस करूँगा तो रिवील कर देगा क्या लिखा है मैंने. So that's it. Submit to the server, and we have our data. So these are the key tokens or whatever you need in order to log in for successfully. All set. Our project is working. मेरे को अब कुछ और features add करना चाहिए. तो आज हम लोग will be working on our, what is it called, home page, I would say. Let's home landing page or whatever. I was trying to do that. उसके लिए मेरे को फिग्मा जो डिज़ाइन बनाया मैंने उधर जाना चाहिए. Maybe I'll have to do a little bit of correction, but all right, I need to log the fuck in. मेरे को रिपीट नहीं करना. मैं जल्दी से इधर लॉगिन करके फिर से विल बी बैक. लेट मी शो यू. I think, guys, pardon me, but I'm a little bit of a novice here with live stream. That's why. Problems will happen, but who cares about that? So let me just quickly show the design that I made, and I wanna tell you that H, okay, H, then V, all set. I just hope this doesn't cause anything like a problem to my live stream. It doesn't lag too much. So this is basically the default home page that I am trying to build, but उसके लिए a lot of things will have to be placed together. A lot of I don't know what is it called. A lot of materials are there, and I'll have to bring all of these together to construct this design that I am the one responsible for. क्योंकि मैंने ही बनाया ये डिज़ाइन, and it is completely made by me. I never reached out to anyone to get a little bit of aiding about it, and that's why you can see that how much of immature, I would say. I mean, it is quite a beginner level of design, but still it will, as long as it gets the job done and it functions properly, and You see, this is my first project, so as for the first project, I believe I can't really complain about it. मेरे को complain करना भी नहीं चाहिए, because that will only discourage me. So let's not blabber bullshit and let's try to do something with the help of ChatGPT, obviously, because anyone here? That's why man, this is gonna be complex as fuck. Whatever, I'm just gonna bring those 1 2 3 4 rounded rectangles, and with that I'll be working. So I think मेरे को successful login पर कुछ करना चाहिए था, right? So let's try to understand what we are trying to do here. I hope it doesn't shows anything that I work. Okay, so this is the plan that I was talking about. What happened? What the puchka? Loading scene. What happened to that? I mean, what happened to my previous things? Yeah, we got it. So ये है basically my workflow or the process that I am trying to accomplish. So मेरा चाहना है, or my objective here is that जब कोई login करेगा and the login is successfully done, I mean all the things happens without any error, and I mean you understand कि जब कोई successfully login करेगा the database के अंदर जो calculation or whatever analysis होता है for authentication, and after all these things जब वो completely a legal request होगा for anyone who is inside the server or inside the database, sorry. So successful login करने के बाद the React should, what is it called, navigate to this landing page that I will be building. That's it. उसके लिए ये करना चाहिए. So this is our first objective for the day. उसके बाद this color is shit. Fast. Man, it is quite hot here. I turned the fucking fan off because it was causing problem for the audio. उसके लिए मेरे को fan off करना पड़ा. Can you imagine? This shit is quite annoying, I would say, because as the mosquitoes are disturbing me quite a lot. At the same time, this hot summer is not an optimal time for this kind of work. एंड मैं पहले ही बता देता हूँ कि मेरा एक टेंडेंसी है विथ स्पीच. आई मेक मिस्टेक्स और आई एक्चुअली हैव प्रॉब्लम विथ एक्सप्रेसिंग माई सेल्फ फास्ट. सो उसके लिए मैं स्लो भी बात करना चाहता हूँ, but time to time I lose the side. I mean, I forget about it and I try my best to sound cool, with this fast way of talking and whatever this bullshit is about. So uske liye from time to time you will be seeing me fumbling a lot, not really making any sense, and blubbering bullshit that has nothing to do what is going on the screen. As you can see, I'm just talking, and this actually feels quite good. because I'm trying to make this live stream a little bit of interactive environment, and it actually makes me feel good that I am able to do this while not having these problems, because previously I had this problem of not having a proper room to actually do this kind of live stream. And notice one thing that I am using actually a lot. This word is repeatedly. This repetition is the proof that I'm quite nervous. At the same time, this proves that I'm not making any progress. So I would just ban that word actually. Let's not use that shitty word. Well, it is not shitty, but it is only working as an obstacle, or it is playing the role of an obstacle in the progress of mine. So that's it. First objective. So this is not what I am supposed to write. मेरे को इधर लिखना चाहिए कि where is. I should specifically mention what I am trying to achieve today. Upon successful login, then we need to selecting this one. इधर React JS का root or router or whatever will be used using React root. अबे caps lock तेरी भैंस की. Sorry for that kind of shitty remark. उसके बाद second objective out of it क्या करना चाहिए. I think previous live stream में मैंने कुछ बोला था कि कैसे हम लोग एक्सटर्नल वे में लॉगिन कर पाएंगे और सर्वर में और आवर एप्लीकेशन में. उसके लिए उसको क्या बोलते हैं, तो सोशल ऑथेंटिकेशन में भी. लेट्स डू ए क्विक सर्च. सोशल ऑथेंटिकेशन, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल. So let's try to read the doc a little bit, क्योंकि आज का टाइम में कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ता नहीं है. जो the guy who is starting to learn to coding, मैं उसके बात कर रहा हूँ, not someone who is an experienced guy in this world of programming. Python social authentication supported frameworks, इससे हम काम कर सकते हैं. तो in order to install we'll have to write pip install social auth app for Django. उसके बाद कुछ करना चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह. Project documentation is available at these. Okay. Okay, क्या करना चाहिए, maintenance whatever. I think मेरे को ये पता है, मैंने ये देखा था. So this one is what we need. That's it. आज हम लोग फोकस करेंगे to design this home page. उसके बाद सक्सेसफुली नहीं पहले हम अपन सक्सेसफुली लॉगिन करने के बाद हम यूज़र को उसका होम पेज में ले जाएंगे. एंड उसके बाद we will focus on improving the design or UI design or whatever you call it. So let's do it. Let's focus on coding, man. तो इधर हमारा ब्राउज़र रूटर ऑलरेडी है. तो मेरे को क्या कौन सा प्रोसेस अप्लाई करना चाहिए मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई विल बी आस्किंग मिस्टर चैट जीपीटी टू गाइड मी थ्रू दिस. तो देखना पड़ेगा इधर हमारा कौन सा चीज़ है. लोकल स्टोरेज, रिजल्ट डेटा, whatever it is. This is our address where we are sending the Axios poster. तो इस लोकेशन में और इस URL के हमारा तो बेसिकली बैकएंड का इस URL के अंदर जो लॉगिन का सिस्टम है, हम उधर सेंडिंग द रिक्वेस्ट यूजिंग Axios post. Basically this is letting us to send out data. पोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट के यूज़ करके हम लोग एक्चुअली वी सेंड डेटा टू द डेटाबेस एंड यूजिंग इट वी रिसीव डेटा फ्रॉम द डेटाबेस. सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट इज सिंपल इट इज. आई डोंट wanna make it any more complicated because I'm not trying to teach anybody today. I'm just trying to learn, and I'm not even that much of a good teacher, I would say. I'm just a curious learner, and that's what I'm trying to show here. I have nobody who judges me for how I do things. Nobody would actually, criticize my way of talking, my way of doing things. मैंने शायद इधर Axios इंस्टेंस कुछ क्रिएट किया था, एंड दिस इज़ क्वाइट हेल्पफुल. आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट हाउ ही वाज सपोज्ड टू यूज़ इट, बट आई रिमेंबर क्योंकि चैट जीपीटी जब मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स दिया था रिगार्डिंग दिस, it was written that I need to use this Axios instance instead of your typical Axios. मैं भूल चुका हूँ शायद. So let's talk with this motherfucker here. क्या था वो अम्मा. तो उसके लिए हम लोगों को नेविगेट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा इन ऑफ रिएक्ट डॉम और व्हाटएवर. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा डॉक्स, लेट्स रीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डॉक्स. Go to a different page in your मेरा React DOM ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है, क्योंकि इफ़ इट वाजंट इंस्टॉल्ड तब मैं ये ब्राउज़र रूटर यूज़ नहीं कर पाता था। तो दिस इज़ ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड। मैं फिर से चेक करता हूँ, इधर मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, इधर नहीं मिलेगा। पैकेज के अंदर जब देखूंगा तब मिल सकता है। एट द सेम टाइम मे बी आई फॉरगॉट, तो इसके अंदर नहीं है, इसके अंदर ज़रूर मिलेगा। तो वी गॉट React router DOM, similarly React DOM, whatever it is. So yeah, we have all the things that we need. उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए इधर देखेंगे। So the updated dependencies in the packages are fine, blah 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 blah. तो इधर हम लोग browser router root path element home about तो home के अंदर we are actually no sorry we're not using that word. We are defining const navigate equals use method. तो जब हम इधर नेविगेट करेंगे तब हमारा ये होगा, मैं समझ गया। अब let's get straight to it. Navigate. मैंने शायद I forgot to import it, कोई बात नहीं। Okay. Use navigate. तो उसके बाद कहाँ है, हम कहाँ थे, इधर से हम जब ये हो जाएगा तब हम लोग will be navigated to our home page. Let's say this is not the right home page. Am I making a mistake here? Homeland address, which one am I supposed to? I think I'm not missing a home page. So अब देखने के बाद ये is home page. All right, everything is on point. अब देखने के बारे है कि John 101010 bam man, as you can you see, this is basically the home page we got here, and we were actually able to navigate to it while the login was a success. तो इससे प्रूव होता है we were able to accomplish what we wanted to accomplish. I think I did it. It feels great, man, when I accomplish it like this. Well, maybe I asked Mr. ChatGPT for this, but I learned it, so it's not anything wrong. ये सब ठीक है, मैं समझ गया क्या क्या करना चाहिए. So this one was a success. What is happening? मेरे को अब इधर एक चेक मार्क ऐड करना चाहिए. That's it. अब डिज़ाइन करना पड़ेगा. कैसे करूँ मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. क्या करना चाहिए. Let's do it. Bring this guy is bad. I change the plan. Just copy this guy's inside. कुछ करना मेरे को पड़ेगा. I don't think oh god. An error occurred in where landing. Error warning. Detail is not defined. Huh? Details is not defined. I am really sorry. What was it? Say. अच्छा एक है. Let me show you something quickly. जितने सारे elements that will be used in this project, मैंने जो किया है, मैंने एक जावास्क्रिप्ट फाइल बनाया, उसके अंदर सबको इंपोर्ट करा एंड उधर इस तरीके से डिटेल्स नाम का एक व्हाट इज़ इट कॉल्ड, आई फॉरगॉट, मेरे को उतना भी जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं आता है, सो मे बी इट इज़ लाइक सम काइंड ऑफ डिक्शनरी और मैपिंग थिंग. तो उसके अंदर मैंने ये सब डिफाइन कर दिया एंड from this assets.js file I import this assets.js file in every file that where I need to use those images, and from there we are using our the problem was solved actually, right? मैंने बैन किया है फिर भी यूज कर रहा हूँ. Does not prove an explosion. अच्छा ये तो नहीं चाहिए था. I learned code is something. अब होगा ना. Now we are talking. Yeah, that's how we are supposed to handle things. But क्या करूँ, इसको तो मेरे को एब्सोल्यूट बनाना पड़ेगा. एब्सोल्यूट से काम चलेगा. हाँ, अब it will work. Now we are talking. That's how it is supposed to be. I am getting there. It will take a little bit of time, but who cares? Flex. What the hell, man? Flex. उसके बाद हाइट मैक्स हाइट करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए गैप चाहिए, गैप 20 ऑफ गैप 20 से कम थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, 560 ओके। अब ये हाइट इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, तो हाइट इंक्रीज करने के लिए मैक्स एज एस स्क्रीन कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, कैसे होगा यार, क्या हो रहा है? होता तो ठीक है, फिक्स्ड करना चाहिए, फिक्स्ड किधर गया? इट वाज द राइट वन। गैप थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, those things are the right way of doing things. Gap नहीं चाहिए, किधर है यार? से काम नहीं चलेगा। I think I'll continue tomorrow because I have to end today's stream. So see you next time, and if you like the stream, make sure you like the stream, and that's it. Welcome to the stream, and with that we'll be ending to this live stream. I'm not feeling sleepy at all. I have something. I want to wake up a little bit earlier tomorrow. From tomorrow I'm trying to build that habit. So we'll work on everything that is left. Let's do it.